Hello, how are you doing? Today we're doing another episode of Mike and Ike. Today we're going to be trying Italian ice. So, make sure to like and subscribe down below. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Today I'm going to be trying cherry, lemon, watermelon, blue raspberry, and orange. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Let's get started. Drum roll. You know how it is. And we have a blue raspberry. Let's try it. That's actually not that bad. I'd give it an 8 out of 10, maybe. I'd recommend you to buy like our original flavors from last episode. That tastes really good. Okay. Second one, drum roll, please. It is It's, as you could see, it's cherry. You got confused on the last one because there wasn't this. So I like this. That's actually not that bad. 9 out of 10. It's tasting so good right now. Drum roll for the next one. There you go, lemon again. Same as the last episode. So, let's try it. I like my Benfica jersey. Best in Portugal. I don't like the lemon, not that much. No. 7 maybe. Not that good. Okay. Next one. So now, we only have watermelon and orange left. And we get, guess. It's orange. Okay. Didn't tell by the color orange, and it shows back here. Okay, so nine and a half. That tastes good. Now we only have watermelon left, which is the green one. The last green one last episode was pretty good. I loved it. So I'll just pick it out now. And here. This is watermelon now. It's a color green, so that's what I was mentioning it. It tastes like a real watermelon, actually. But a bit better, like candy. Tastes good. If you haven't already, like and subscribe down below. See you in the next one. In the next episode, we're going to be doing YouTuber's life. So make sure to like and subscribe for more episodes. Bye-bye.